2016 Zion IA. We did a muffler delete on it. Put a nice tip on it. That's a muffler delete, just a rear muffler.